What?
What will you do with the money? Again, please. If you have 500 ringgit, what will you do with the money? With? Okay.
I will save 300 in bank account. I will spend
Spend, not spend.
100